ABS plastic shell, large LCD screen display, large buttons, 1 multiply AAA batteries. The stand is easy to place. You can use it by flipping the side switch. Press the start button to start timing. Press the set button to move the second hand. Press start again to restart the countdown. No need to reset. With the suction magnet, it can be affixed to the refrigerator at home and on iron-containing objects. The perfect timer for homework, exercise, cooking, learning, games, and classrooms.